Top 13 Natural Language Processing, NLP, based project ideas 1. Sentiment analysis for customer reviews. Develop a system to analyze sentiment from customer reviews to help businesses understand customer opinions and improve product services. 2. Fake news detection. Create a model to automatically detect fake news articles by analyzing text content and identifying patterns associated with misinformation. 3. Text summarization tool. Build a tool that automatically generates concise summaries from large blocks of text, aiding in information retrieval and comprehension. 4. Named entity recognition for information extraction. Implement a system to extract named entities such as names, organizations, and locations from unstructured text, facilitating data extraction and knowledge discovery. 5. Chatbot for customer support. Design and deploy a conversational AI chatbot to provide personalized customer support, answer queries, and assist users with various tasks. 6. Language translation application. Develop a language translation application using machine translation techniques to translate text between multiple languages, fostering communication across diverse linguistic communities. 7. Topic modeling for document clustering. Utilize topic modeling algorithms to cluster documents based on underlying themes or topics, enabling efficient organization and retrieval of textual data. 8. Speech recognition system. Create a system capable of transcribing spoken language into text, allowing for hands-free interaction with devices and accessibility for users with disabilities. 9. Text classification for email filtering. Build a classifier to automatically categorize emails into different folders, for example, spam, promotions, primary, based on their content, enhancing email management efficiency. 10. Grammar correction tool. Develop a tool that detects and corrects grammatical errors in text, aiding users in writing clear and error-free content. 11. Question answering system. Design a system that can comprehend natural language questions and provide accurate answers by extracting relevant information from text sources, such as articles or documents. 12. Semantic search engine. Implement a search engine that understands the meaning and context of user queries to retrieve highly relevant search results, improving information retrieval accuracy. 13. Text-based emotion recognition. Create a model to recognize emotions expressed in text, enabling applications such as sentiment-aware content recommendation and emotion-sensitive chatbots.